Today, we're breaking down the big debate in fasteners: solid rivets versus tubular rivets. Which one is right for your project? Rivets are one of the most reliable permanent fastening methods, and how they're installed is what really sets them apart. Two of the most common types are solid rivets and tubular rivets, each designed for different installation methods and performance requirements. Solid rivets require significant force to install, using a hammer, press, or pneumatic tool to fully deform the rivet body. This creates a very strong, permanent joint, making solid rivets ideal for structural and high-load applications. Tubular rivets have a hollow end, allowing them to flare and set with much less force during installation. This makes them faster to install and better suited for thinner materials or high-volume assembly processes. Both solid and tubular rivets require access to both sides of the material, since the rivet must be formed from the opposite side. Tubular rivets typically cost less overall because they install faster and require less force, while solid rivets are more labor-intensive. Whatever your rivet needs are, One Monroe has you covered. For help specifying the right rivets for your production needs, contact One Monroe today.